Hello, my name is Mike Johnson. I'm taking you on an inside and outside video tour of this 2014 Honda Accord sedan, top of the line plug-in hybrid. Okay, with the advanced technology package. This is a very nice, clean car. We bought it from an Acura dealer in another state. We brought it to California, so it's from a good source. This was right on their front line for sale. They cut us a deal because it'd been in kind of a remote Acura dealer, so we got it. It's a really clean car, a very nice car. I normally carry Toyota Prius plug-ins all the time. This is bigger and nicer. Now this is a 2014 Honda Accord with the plug-in hybrid. So as far as trim level, this is an EX premium trim level, which means it has the smart adaptive cruise control, and it has the heated seats. It's got navigation system, backup camera in the passenger mirror. It's got side view camera. It's got lane assist. It's got all the high-end features. Right there, you got a little camera in the mirror. So when you turn the right turn signal on, it takes a little view of the right side. And it also has the backup camera. And it also has a front camera. Front camera is right up here in the windshield. Now this is part of the smart cruise control and anti-collision feature driver assist package. So that front camera works in conjunction with the front radar sensor. So when you're driving along in open road or in city traffic, you can use the cruise control, and when vehicles get in your way, it just slows the car down automatically. And it's a kind of a self-driving assist type of thing. It's not a self-driving car, but it's a self-assist, a driver assist package. So you can use your cruise control. You don't have to touch the gas. You don't have to touch the brake. You can drive right into traffic and the car can come slow down to a full stop. It's a very cool system. And this is a very rare car. Initially, they only sold these in 2 states. Now the Accord Hybrid is widely available. It's easy to get a Accord Hybrid, but wait a minute, that's not what this is. This is Accord plug-in hybrid. So in the left front fender, you have a plug. I'm going to talk more about this in a few minutes, but basically, you know what? Let's talk about it now. When you go home, you open that port, you plug it in your garage. You leave it on charge overnight, and the next day you'll drive maybe 10 or 15 miles of pure electric driving without using any gas. So if we say it's going to get you 11-mile range, that is 4,000 miles a year without using any gas, charging it once a day. You don't have to go to the gas station and buy gas. It actually does better than that. The Prius gets about 11 miles a trip on the plug-in battery. This is a slightly bigger battery, but it's also a slightly bigger car. It does really well. We'll try to put the fuel economy data up there. But very cool vehicle. I like it. In fact, I love this one. My wife actually bought a Honda Accord brand new back in 2000 from the dealer. She was working for the Honda dealer, so I know Hondas very well. I actually worked for a Honda dealer all the way back in 1988, so I have a lot of experience with Hondas. I was a mechanic for the Honda dealer. Now I'm a dealer myself, and I'm shooting these videos so you can be as familiar with the car as I can make you. The last 3 digits of the VIN number are 166. It's actually 000166. So this might actually be the 166th Accord plug-in. They're very rare. Honda doesn't put out a lot of these. They mostly put the Accord Hybrid, but this is the plug-in hybrid. Has the little plug badge next to the hybrid. Trying to find one of these cars is like trying to hunt for a unicorn in the city. You might find unicorn pillows, but to find a living, breathing unicorn in the city, not going to be easy. They're very hard to find. It's got 2 keys with this car. We're going to go in and we're going to demonstrate the system. So this car has the in-dash navigation system that got some glare from the sun because of the camera angle. In-dash navigation as I turn the corner here. So it's got Honda's premium in-dash navigation. You got Bluetooth streaming music, Bluetooth hands-free phone calling. There's your side view camera. I'm turning the corner and that's the side mirror camera view. That's really cool. That's a unique feature to Honda. It has the right side mirror camera in their cars. All these buttons on the steering wheel. This is your smart cruise control. That selects how close you want to follow to other vehicles. So when you turn on the cruise control, you can push this button and it's far, medium, or close following distance behind other vehicles. And the radar system works with the front camera to accurately judge how close you are to other vehicles. It's a lot of cars are coming out with that now, but Honda offered this all the way back in 2014. And so this is the top of the line. I like it. So we're going to drive over here into the shade behind a building, a convenient location here to show you the upholstery without the glare from the sun. So Honda has all sorts of menus. You have down here heated seats with low and high settings. You've got this really cool shuttle to shuttle through the features and enter your navigation destinations. It's very cool. Dual zone climate control. So driver and passenger can set the different temperatures on the air conditioning or heating. Heated mirrors, heated windows, all sorts of radio features in the premium sound system. And this is really cool. You have driver programmable memory settings for your seat and mirrors. So you can have driver 1 and driver 2. So you adjust your mirrors and your seat the way you like it, and then you save it on that button. And so when your spouse or your kids or someone else gets in, you know, and messes up your seat adjustments, all you do is hit the button and you're ready to drive again without a lot of fiddling around. You have electronic auto dimming rear view mirror. Now this is a EX, Honda Accord EX premium trim, not EXL. EXL is leather. They didn't offer the leather in the plug-in hybrid. Some people don't like leather because you jump in on a hot day and it's not as comfortable. Now these are nice clean cloth seats. If you want leather, it is possible to upgrade to a full leather interior. It's going to cost you about $1,200 approximately. And we have a company that does that for us, known as Katzkin, spelled Katzskins. And you can go on their website and see if you like leather seats. We can get that done for you. It takes about 3 days usually, maybe longer with COVID-19 slowing everything down. But it does have tinted windows. These are darker tinted windows, and it's a white car. It's perfect for California, a white car with tinted windows. And you have black wheels. Those are the factory black wheels. They're actually aluminum rims, but they have a cool aerodynamic rim style. You got turn signals in the mirrors. Cosmetically, there's not really anything to point out, any imperfections. Let's look in the trunk here. See if I can find the trunk button. Down here to open the trunk. See how it looks in there. Nice and clean in the trunk. It has a larger trunk than like the Ford Fusion, which is the closest similar size and type vehicle. But hey, this is a Honda. You have Honda reliability. Hondas are known to last forever. There's even stowage compartments down below here which you can put stuff in. So it's a nice setup. These are the floor mats here. It does have the floor mats. In this area, they've hidden the hybrid battery pack in there for you. A lot of the lights on here are LED high performance lights, including the headlights. It's got these really cool LED lights on all the accessory lights in the front are LED headlights. Right here you have LED eyebrows, which are off because the headlights are on, and then you have the fog lights on the front. So I'm looking here, we have 4 plug-in hybrids out here. We have a Honda and 3 Prius. These plug-in hybrids qualify for a $9,500 cash purchase incentive if you can qualify from the Replace Your Ride program. That's a Cash for Clunkers program. If you have a clunker and you meet the program requirements, you could get a $9,500 of the cost of the car paid by the government for you on your behalf. That means you don't have to pay back $9,500. In addition to that, there's an additional $1,500 available from LA Department of Water Power if you meet their program requirement, or $1,000 available from Southern California Edison. So you could potentially, if you live in the right zip code and you have the right power company, get an $11,000 incentive to help you buy one of these cars. This is a generic video because I'm getting tired of repeating myself for every single car. So we're going car to car and showing you. These are Prius plugins, or Chrysler Pacificas, or other plug-in hybrids, or even the full electric cars qualify. But let me explain this again. You're driving that 1981 Ford Escort that you could leave it running in the ghetto with the keys in it, and even the most desperate car thief wouldn't steal it from you. But yet the government is willing to give you $9,500 for it if you turn it in so they can destroy it. You have to apply at replaceyourride.com to see if you meet the program requirements. If you do, it takes a couple months to go through the program, and that's a big money incentive, $9,500. That's pretty good. See this pickup truck driving away? He's driving away here. Yeah, you could get $9,500 for a pickup truck like that, sure. From the government program, you would qualify. See, they don't care what kind of vehicle you're turning in, how valuable or not valuable it is, because the government's not based on the value of the trade. The incentive is based on your zip code and your income. If you make a lot of money, you may be less likely to qualify. If you make very little money, you're more likely to qualify. And you have to live within LA, Riverside, Orange, or San Bernardino counties to qualify for the $9,500. And so go to replaceyourride.com and see if you qualify. Here's a Honda Accord plug-in hybrid. Qualifies for the incentives. So let's do some math here. You go look in the ad for the car that I'm selling here. How much am I asking? Am I asking 11,000? Am I asking 15,000? Am I asking 20,000? So let's do the math. Let's say the car is for sale for $11,000, and you subtract $9,500, which the Replace Your Ride program will pay for you, and then you get a rebate from LADWP for another $1,500. That means you basically pay zero for the car. All you have to pay is the tax, license, and registration in the net end cost. So it's a really good deal. Go to replaceyourride.com, see if you qualify, and then go to your local power company and find out what programs they offer. If you have residential service from Southern California Edison, you can get $1,000. If you have service from LADWP, you can get some, but some of the other power companies may be offering this as well. So take a look. So I'm going to try to keep this video short. I'm going to show you my website in the credits, but this is for sale by A Buyer's Choice Vehicle Sales. I don't have my plate frame on here. I didn't have time to put it on before I shot this video. My name is Mike Johnson. Go on my website. Check out my website, mybestcar.com. See if I have this car available. I'm definitely going to buy more of these Honda Accords if I can find them. I am actively searching for them. The Accord plugins, I really like it. So I'll see if I can get more, but this is the only one I've had to date. It's September 2020. So if it's available, give me a call. 951-681-2101. Thank you for watching.